Making your way in the world today takes everything you've got. Taking a break from all your worries sure would help a lot. Wouldn't you like to get away? Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came. You wanna be where you can see your troubles are all the same. You wanna be where everybody knows your name. You wanna go where people know people are all the same. You wanna go where everybody knows your name. Hello and welcome. We are not prepared at all. Good evening.
Hello.
I'm just trying to share this very, very quickly. Give me 1 second. 1, 2, 3, and we are done. Right. Hello, everybody. How is everybody this evening? Hope you had wonderful and glorious days today and yesterday, because we missed you yesterday. I was like, oh God, what time is it?
Who are we?
What does it all mean? So hope you had a lovely day yesterday as well. How was your day today and yesterday?
Yesterday was a lot of work, and today was a lot of nothing.
Fan-bloody-tastic.
Yeah.
That's great.
Nice, easy, relaxed day today.
Fabulous.
Lovely. How about you?
Well, yesterday was my very, very lazy day. Wasn't feeling too great, was I?
No.
All you girls out there will know what I'm talking about. Wasn't feeling too great yesterday, so I had a very, very lazy day, sitting on the sofa and watching Criminal Minds. Matt likes to call it any kind of criminal show, white girl porn.
It is white girl porn.
Yeah.
It's because she doesn't have any danger in her life, so she needs something to stimulate.
Not that
Everything
reason
is
at
provided.
all. However, I do love a murder show or like Forensic Files or like anything like that. I'm obsessed. So that was what I did yesterday, and today I did a little bit of yoga stretching. I did some laundry. We went to Costco. It's all very exciting. All go today in the Ducharme world.
For the douches.
For the douches, yes, that's us.
Mm.
Here we are. So let's start at the top and
That's
say hello. Yeah, but was there one before?
Let's do it. No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Jason made it.
Yay, I was first.
Hello, Jason.
Hello.
Hi, Stuart.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Sophie.
Hiya, Soph.
It's getting worse, my accent. Hello, Sophie.
Laura.
Hi, Laura. Hi, Sarah. Good evening, guys. Love this song, can't wait. Oh, yes. Well, fingers crossed I do it justice. Stuart, happy Friday, team. Gorgeous day.
Went for a long
Oh,
walk.
lovely.
Very nice.
It's lovely to get outside, isn't it? It's just
Makes a big
amazing, yeah.
difference.
Speaking of getting outside, Luke has the best place to be outside. He lives on the Isles of Scilly. So, well, Gel.
They have rabbits there.
They do have rabbits there. There we are. Yes, they have rabbits there. Hi, Luke. Matt joined. Matt, your status has gone away again. Oh, no, it's not. It's just when he joins. Got it. John, hi, John, and Lisa. Lisa is driving. You are on... Oh,
Yeah!
we're on the car radio.
stereo. Love
Gosh,
that.
how's that even work? Top fan here, Matt. Hi, Neil.
Hi, Neil.
Luke, hello from the Isles of Scilly. There we are. Neil,
IPA in the garden, sunshine here. Yes,
well done. Well
nice
done.
One.
Luke says, yo,
Good
Matt.
work.
We should maybe get Luke to pressure the local government to reopen by October so that we're still good to come.
Yeah. We're coming in October.
Not
so
that I don't care about everybody else, but
No,
I don't
but
care about anybody
we
else.
want to come in October, so tell them we need to come.
Tracy says it's definitely mojito time. Yes,
Yes,
it is.
Tracy. Yes, Trace in the garden. Better be in the garden.
How's a new pup?
Lovely. How's your new puppy? We want to know. And says, hope Matt waited on you all day long. He was very good to me yesterday. Yes, he was very lovely.
Tolerable.
Luke, bet Matt did the laundry. Excuse you?
Hi, Matt. Matt Lochran.
Oh, hi,
Not
Matt
you.
Lochran.
How are you, lovely? Nice to see you.
Sophie, your accent is really great. Get it on the resume. Babe, it's already on the resume. It's at the top. Hi, Elise.
Hi, Elise.
Lisa's now joined as well. Tracy, Matt, Mark's still waiting for the specials or madness. Right.
He's gonna be.
Well, I
waiting
did it.
a
I did baggy trousers. Baggy trousers. Baggy trousers. Oh yeah. I did it before.
You did?
Sensational.
Thank you. Not going to happen there for a while.
Hi, Jan.
That's from Luke. Well, we'll just see about that.
Laura's having a barbecue again. Good.
Oh, lovely barbecue. Matt's barbecuing as well.
Here's Jam.
And
Hi,
hello, Jan.
Hi.
So where are we? What are we doing? Live studio audience. It's a Friday. What did you do?
Well, I worked, and then I went to Costco, and now I barbecue. Oh, I tried out my new running shoes today. They're trail runners, and I went outside and ran in the trails.
Yay.
Outside.
Yeah, did pretty well, huh? First time back for what, over a year?
Probably about 5 years. It's my first official run,
There we are.
which was
Well done.
Felt good, eh?
it did actually.
Good. Well, that's good. And Jace?
Hello. Yesterday I danced and did a bit of pottering around the house, and today I was super lazy and did absolutely nothing. Sat in bed and watched telly, got up and watched telly all day. That is my day. Sometimes
What a great day.
it feels a bit naughty, but then again, sometimes you kind of deserve it, don't you? So I might go for a walk later, I might not. So we'll see. Other than that, yeah, all good.
Well, we got a game. We've got the game tonight.
Oh, of course we have, haven't we?
We're doing the
Forgot
game.
about that.
So, no walk for you,
No walk for me.
young man.
Okay.
I'm just trying to find where my words are. There they are. Okay, who else has joined? Rebecca
Hi,
Roberts
Rebecca.
has joined. Hello. And Jan says hi, sweetie.
Hello.
So this evening we're going to do Songbird.
Yes, we are.
Eva Cassidy. Just recently, actually, I don't know, Belle might join in a little while. She might have something else going on right now. But just recently I was asked to do a little video to the lovely Belle, just to raise her spirits a little bit. And I did this because I think this is just a beautiful song, and I know that she did like it. There was many people involved, so it wasn't by any mean just me. But yeah, it was nice to be able to do that for her, and I know that she comes on here regularly. Belle, we love you very much, and sending positive and lovely vibes to you.
Yeah.
And it went over, it's a lovely song, so I thought we'd do it again here, live, because why not, right? So yeah, this is Songbird, I guess. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
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 I don't have a
Cheers.
drink. I don't-
Cheers.
Oh, I have a drink today.
Yay!
My
I know.
hat is on my head.
For you the sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the sky. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. To you, I would give the world. To you, I'd never be caught, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the sky. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before, like never before, like never before.
Yay.
Hey!
Yay!
So
Old habits die hard.
they will never die. Now I know people like it, so it's my thing now.
Who's people?
Peoples.
Everybody, people. Neil, trail running is the best. Oh, trail running is the best way to run. Come on and visit me in Perthshire, and I'll show you some real proper trails, Matt.
There's an
Perthshire
offer.
sounds made up, so I'm not
What?
going to do that.
Perthshire.
Where is Perthshire?
In Scotland.
Is it?
Oh, wow.
Near Perth, funnily enough.
Well, I didn't know there was a
Crazy.
Perth in Scotland. I thought, okay,
The
well,
names of towns and shires here in England sound genuinely made up. I mean, I guess at the root they all are, but they sound like they weren't even trying.
Well-
See, there you go. You got an offer of trail running and fine whiskey now off Neil.
Yeah, I'm into
oh yeah, well, I'll do the fine whiskey
it.
bit.
We should test our eyes.
Yeah, we should test our eyes and drive up to Scotland.
Wow.
Jason. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Jan missed last few nights. Oh well, that's all right. They're all on
Glad you're
YouTube.
back. And
They're
they are
all on YouTube, so don't you worry. Becky, hello. That's my wedding
Yeah,
song.
oh.
Oh yay! Oh hi, Papa Heels. Hello guys.
Hello, Alicia.
Hello, Alicia. Mama Parrot's on.
Alicia missed the controversy from 2 days ago of, what was it you said? When you called me Passag.
Oh. Oh, you know my brain. I don't know.
I can't remember what it was that you said.
Passive
That,
aggressive.
Well,
no,
I
it was
know what-
before
yeah.
Passag. I can't
But
remember
you
what it
you
was.
were abbreviating something and then something else, and
No,
and then
you,
I said-
never mind.
it was you. It was you.
At least you've got plenty of parasets.
Ash was there as well.
Hi Ash, sorry, Mr. Ash.
There he is.
And Mama Parrot.
Mama Parrot.
Hi, Mum.
Sarah, beautiful. Oh, thank you very much. Stuart.
Thank you,
Oh,
Stuart.
yay.
and
Hi,
Alison.
Alison. Oh, thank you, Mama Parrot. John.
Oh, thank you,
Your
John.
favourite, but oh, yay. Yes, beautiful playing. I agree. That's why I was like.
Thank you, Julia.
Thank
Hello.
you, Julia. I hope your day was lovely as well.
Yeah.
Alison, one of my favourites. Beautiful. Oh, thank you very much. And Jan. Oh,
lovely.
yay. Hi, Sonia. I love this. Perfect. Oh, thank you. And Laura's
Lisa,
there.
Lisa,
Thank you. Lisa, thank you. Oh, gosh, these guys. Becky, thank you very much. And hello, Adam.
Hello.
Good evening. Good evening. We've already sung, but you can catch it if you missed it. I'm not sure. Yeah, so this evening we're going to play, what's it called?
Oh,
He's not paying
Shadows
attention.
over Hammer Hall.
Shadows over Hammer Hall this evening. It's very exciting. We've done it, well, it's like, you do the D&D, don't you?
I do D&D.
And so, yeah, it's going to be fun. That's what we're going to do tonight. I don't know why this happened, but never mind. Off script again. Here we go.
Moving along quickly.
Please, as always, stay safe, stay inside, and keep washing those hands. Oh gosh, there's loads more. Adam.
Sorry, I'm
Sorry,
late.
oh, don't be silly. That's fine.
John, and singing. Especially phrasing in space thing.
Oh, well, thank you very much, John. Yes, so we hope you have a lovely evening this evening, and we will be back tomorrow for another Bluegates Singalong. Eh? Oh, yes, okay. God, I've got so much to do. They keep shouting at me constantly. Where is it? Where is it?
You put it on the wall.
Oh, it's in order. Look at that. It's like somebody just wrote it or something. Wait, look, it's complete. We've got five bars now.
How many in each bar?
Good lord.
13, I think.
13 in each? Yikes. That's a lot of songs.
Yeah.
My rep is like,
Yeah.
and his fingers are just worn down to the bones now. Like. Anyway, hope you have a lovely evening. Cheers, everybody, and we will see you tomorrow.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.